Well, hello everyone, Dave Cook, the Franco Finishes. We're here in a house in Algonquin. Anthony's over there painting some doors, but one thing we are doing is covering these niches that were put in the house that were built in the 80s. So you can still kind of see some of the outline on the cover. That's where it's still dry. We've been filling it in, so it makes it tricky because when this stuff was put in, they had the rounded drywall edges. So putting the rounded ones, it raises this up. When they put that in, it raises that up. So when we filled that up, and even though we made it flush, the problem is this patch is at a different level than that patch. So we've been floating it back and forth. You can kind of see where it's still wet. And we've been filling in where the low spots are. And it's just kind of, you're trying to fix a fix, and it's kind of a really hard thing to make it completely flat. There'll still be some kind of a little hump. You can kind of see even where the existing drywall is. That line right there is actually a hump between where the drywall is this way and this way. So we're just doing our best to flatten it as best as possible, floating out that whole area, adding mud in there just to kind of make it so it's smooth all the way through. So we're using Durabond 45. I like the 45 because you can make up a whole pan of it like I did there, and I've filled it in and there's still a decent chunk in there. And as we got a fan on here, it'll dry it out pretty quick, just as quick as it will 20. 45 is how much working time you have with the Durabond powder. So you can play with it for 45 minutes before it starts getting set up. I think it's closer to 30, but that's okay. If you use hot water, it sets up a lot faster than cold water, so there's a tip for you too. But just a way to kind of fill it in, get a fan, use some 45, and you should be good to go. If you have questions about drywall repair, painting, and wallpaper, give us a call at DeFranco Painting and Wallpaper. We're here to help you love the space you're in.